In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop automatic updates on Windows 11. This is going to be a quick and simple tutorial. All you need to do is open the Start menu on your computer, search for Services, and then open the Services window. From here, scroll all the way down until you find a service called Windows Update. Once you find this service, double-click on it. Then change the startup type from Manual to Disabled. After that, click on Apply. Next, click on the Recovery tab at the top. Under First Failure, change the option to Take No Action. Then click on Apply and OK. Now double-click on the Windows Update service again. You will see that the service status is currently running. Click on the Stop button to stop the service, then click OK once again. And just like that, you have now disabled automatic updates on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.